Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this base for the electric kettle. It is not working. If you want to check it with multimeter, set multimeter to continuity. Connect to one terminal and take continuity with outer ring, inner ring. Yes, it is giving continuity. With the outer ring, it don't have any continuity. It have sparking here. Coupler is also broken. Let's open it. The second thing, a separate wire connected with this one, and it is 2-pin plug. Coupling connector is also loose and it is moving. We have 3 screws here. Let's open it. Yes, it have broken part here, the contact. The one wire, it is disconnected. It have just only one connector. The second wire is open. So I think that is the reason it made sparking here. So let's replace it. I have this QC585 coupling. We can install it, and we will not use this cable. We will not use this cable, and we will replace this broken coupler. We will use this new coupler, and I will use 3-wire cable. It is 10 ampere and it have a fuse here. Anytime if there is something wrong, this fuse will burn out and we can replace it. So it will the best solution. We will remove insulation for this cable. Align this guide to this cut. It is here, and our cable routing will from this point to here, so until here we will remove the insulation. Take the knife cutter and place between the 2 fingers and press the corner, the edge of the cutter, and pull it. Now we can see no wire damaged, and we have 3 wires here inside. Blue, that is neutral, ground, and the line. You can use terminal. Crimp these wires in the terminal and install it. This time I don't have terminal, so I will solder these wires here. For that purpose I will use the heat shrink sleeve. Take the proper size. Yes, it is entering freely. I will cut it in 3 pieces. Insert it here. The outer wires must be at the same length. The inner wire will be about 1/4 inch short. Remove 1/2 inch insulation from the 3 wires. Twist them. Now enter the 3 wires. Line the brown wire will enter here from the top side. The yellow wire here, and the blue wire here. After entering here, make the hook. After entering, bend it in this way to make hook for the 3 wires. Now we will solder it. Now we will solder these wires. Don't apply too much heat. I am using flux filled solder, so that I am not using extra flux. Now we completed the soldering, and now we will insert these sleeves, heat shrink sleeves here. Yes, now it is good. We can see the wire length is equal, no short, no long. So that is the reason the yellow wire, because it is in center and the other two wires have more distance, that is the reason we removed 1/4 inch from this center wire. Now we will apply the heat to shrink it. Now we can test it. The left pin, line, neutral, earth. Line, neutral, earth. Now we can test continuity. The line pin will reach to the line pin, the left pin, and it has no cross. Now move to neutral pin, the outermost pin here. Move to center pin, the ground pin. So wiring is good. Now we can install. Now we will align these cuts here, then place here, then here, then give a twist here, bring it here. Yes. Now we will align this guide with this cut. Yes, it is fixed and it is not moving. Now I will install these 3 screws. And finally bring it here. Now I will check the output voltage from this socket. I will connect this coupler here, place it here and connect to the line voltage. Set multimeter to AC, and I will check voltage at these 2 points. We have 233 volts. So we repaired this base. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.